welcome back to my channel. And the other day I was cleaning out my craft room, and while I was searching, well, I was not searching, I was how you call that, ordering. I was ordering, put a little order in my craft room, and while I did that I found something, and that was the reason why I made another one. Yeah, I can't help myself. I made another one, another traveler's notebook, and I did not make a tutorial of it because it's the same as the other three I made before, but I just want to show you real quick what I did, and I will show you in a minute what thing that I found in my stash that made me make this new one. So so this is the front, and I used again Prima Marketing Rossibelle. I really love that, and I was stowing my rest of my Prima Marketing papers to the rest of my Prima collection, and I get to see this again, and oh my gosh, this would be awesome for another traveler's notebook, because, well, this is really me. This is really me. Black, white and pink. That's me. That's the scrap queen. Black, white and pink. I can't resist myself. So okay, so what I did is of course I laminated the paper for the front and the back. And I made this time a little charm on it, and I found this today, this fluffy thing, in my local store, my local store called The Action, and they also have this one, this big one, and my daughter has the other one, but I think I will use this as I'm going to use my Prima Marketing Zella Teal, but for now I am hanging it here in my craft room. And then I used this little bead I found last week by Xenos, and that's also a store here in Holland, really cute. And I made this charm with the little sticker on the back from the Rossibelle kit collection, and I really like it, so I thought it would be fun to hang on here, but if I don't like it I can unclick it. Okay, so that's the outside, and of course I made elastic closure, so let's get in. I'm first going to tell you what I found. I found this, and that's a clear pouch, I call it. It has one clear pocket with a zipper, with a closure, and it has 3 of these pockets, and it has one big pocket. And this I was found, and I ordered this, well, I think last year, and I did not use it, and I found this, and so I made totally this traveler's notebook in the same size, this one. So yeah, I found this and I think, oh my gosh, yes, another traveler's notebook. So at the front I make the same simple pockets, because I have the storage in here, but plain, that's not me, so I made 2 simple pockets, and you can store everything in it. I made here 2 little incisions, so we can put still something nice in. I put a little paper clip on, so I can use it in here whenever I want it. Then this was from a big, how you call it, yeah, not a journal, but something you use at school. And I cut it in 2, so I have 2, and I don't know if I like it that much, but if I get sick of it, or because it's really stiff, but if I don't like it I still can cut it out, and then I have another insert for my planner, for my journal. So yeah, I for now I like it, but you never know with me. So yeah, there's something about different about these. I still used some white balls, but I also print out some free printable planners, and I never used these before, but I think they are really cute and still playful. So still I can use single sheets, and I still can use like this and or like this. I really like that. I like it to be not every page the same. That's not me. So here we have the big, yeah, how you call this? A pouch? I really don't know. But here is the big clear pocket. Then we have 3 little pockets. Then obviously I put my washi tape already in it, which are my favorite ones. And then we have this big pocket with a zipper that you can all put your little things in and little words so you don't lose them. Really handy. And I made also a, how do you call this, a pen clip, a pen holder, and it's really simple and so easy to make. The other day I made a pen clip holder when I am attaching it at an insert, but this is movable, so I think this is more handy. It's just such little clip, and it's really simple. You just, these, you know what these are, just little clips, and this is the smallest one I had. So yeah, you just open it up, or yeah, not just open it up, you glue your ribbon in, and I think this is elastic. Yeah, I know it is. So, and then I measure how big my pen is, and then you glue the other side also, and I I put a flower on. So yeah, you can put it anywhere you like, and I just love it. I love it. And so, and this is the second insert, same as the first. And on the back we also have the same pocket as in the front, and look, it's cute. Really like it. And yeah, put some nice stuff in and a paper clip. So I like it. So give me a thumbs up if you like this one too. And yeah, well, it's the same one as the other one, so I did not make any tutorial of it. So yeah, the size is a little different because I have to make another size for the clear pouch. So yeah, and I made one for this one too, and I made one for this one, and I made one for this one. So yeah, I have 4. Oh my gosh, I have 4 journal travelers notebooks. So yeah, and I really don't know which one I like the most. I really don't know. I like them all 4, and yeah, really, gosh, I love them. So yeah, give me a thumbs up and hope you like them too. So if you want to make one, these 2 I made a tutorial of, and this one I made a tutorial of. Well, and this is exactly the same thing, the same cover, the same elastic. Well, this is just a hang on. You can put something on here too. Yeah, the clear pouch I cannot make them myself, but I did manage a little in this one. And yeah, this is also easy peasy. Yeah, pretty simple. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope I am done now making travelers notebooks. If you want something, how you call it, yeah, just make one your own. And if you don't want to make one, just ask me, perhaps I will make you one. Okay, thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.